Hey guys, happy Tuesday. So for reading today, we are going to be getting out our All in a Day books. I hope you guys enjoyed reading this yesterday because we're going to use it again today. So yesterday we had talked about how we can learn about the characters' actions or what the characters do by looking at the illustrations and thinking, what is the character doing? So today, instead of looking at the characters' actions or what the characters do, we're gonna be talking about how the characters are thinking or what they might be thinking about. So last week we had learned all about that little phrase, put yourself in someone else's shoes. And that just means you try to imagine yourself as the character and really think about how you would feel and how you would think if you were the character in your story. So today we are going to read All in a Day again. And after each page, you're going to stop. You're going to think, what is the character thinking? What would I be thinking? If this happened to me, what would I think? Put yourself in their shoes and think, how would I feel? What would I do? How would I think? And what you're going to do is after you read, you're going to get a piece of paper. It doesn't have to look perfect like this at all, but for each page of All in a Day, you're going to record or write what the boy is doing, the event, what is happening. And then you're going to ask yourself, you're going to stop and you're going to think, what is the character thinking? What would I be thinking? And that's kind of how you can help figure out how the character is thinking. So for example, on page 2 from that first page, it's right here. From page 2, the little boy is waking up. And so I wrote that he was thinking, the character is thinking, I feel so rested. I can't wait to start my day because he just woke up. He's not tired anymore. He got a good night's sleep and he's ready to start his day. So that's what I think the character is thinking. And I know that because I put myself in the character's shoes and I said, well, how do I feel when I wake up? And then I was like, oh, I always feel rested and I'm always excited to start my day. Even though sometimes I'm still a little bit tired, I'm always super excited to get my day going when I wake up. So I wrote my page number, page 2. I wrote my event, he is waking up. And then I finished the sentence, the character is thinking, I feel so rested. I can't wait to start my day. And then I moved on to the next page, and I did this after every page. So on page 3, I remember that the little boy was eating breakfast. And I asked myself, what would I think in this situation? What would I think if I was the character? And I finished the sentence, the character is thinking, I love buns for breakfast. The illustration made them look so good, and so that's what I was thinking. But you might be thinking something totally different. So you'll just have to put yourself in the character's shoes. Imagine if you were in the story and ask yourself, what would I think if I was the character? And you're going to do this for each event. Something different happens on each page of All in a Day. And so you're going to do this for each page. Ask yourself, look at the picture or the illustration and ask yourself, what is the little boy thinking? What would I be thinking? Okay? And I know you guys are going to do great with this, so I hope you have a great rest of your day.